is Fireside Sounds, and I'm Izzy Quinn, and we're just going to have a look at a few videos now, because, you know, it's what we do here.
What we do? What happens? It's what happens already.
Yeah.
Did you ask Paul about his photographs? He's watching.
Oh, Paul, where's your photographs?
He took enough of them. Paul, we know you took loads of photographs, so please put them
no,
up.
we're gonna watch video.
All right, that's nice.
Brick by brick, we'll build this house. Keep holding on to me, baby. And wave by wave, we'll turn the tide. It's getting stronger, no longer safe to ride. But we'll get there in time, 'cause tomorrow we're older, a little bit wiser, a little less cold, another handle to hold. So stop and turn from the tailbacks, get on the right track. Let's take control and turn dust into gold. Sometimes I pinch myself and pray I must be dreaming, as you open up a door in which we boarded up. Another fight, another night of little sleeping, hoping that we can make it up. And we'll get there in time, 'cause tomorrow we're older, a little bit wiser, a little less cold, another handle to hold. So stop and turn from the tailbacks, get on the right track. Let's take control and turn dust into gold. 'Cause if you stare at a chain, you'll find a chink in it somewhere. And if perfection's a game, then it's a game with no winner. But if love still remains, oh, if love still remains, oh, if love still remains, come home. 'Cause tomorrow we're older, a little bit wiser, a little less cold, another handle to hold. So stop, turn from the tailbacks, get on the right track. Let's take control and turn dust into gold. Thank you.
Now, that was a really, really good band from It's Happening in the Beach Hill in Derry. What did you guys think?
That was very good, very, very good. Nice bit of acoustic there. Really, an oldish sound, but with a modern feel to it as well.
Yeah.
Great energy.
Yeah. Nice cardigan.
Nice cardigan. Yeah.
Groovy.
Did you like that cardigan?
I did. I loved it.
Do you
Now,
like that
here's
cardigan?
just a little bit more
You're not
of some
cardigan bloke,
JJ
though.
Jupiter, which we had in last week when Marion was presenting. So there you go. Enjoy it.
Close to the one side. You see an illusion, lost your blood, 'cause you can't stay only again. So what is wrong with the thing we know? Is there a thing we can't wait to go home. And I can make you stay, I will never go. In the morning, you don't know, 'cause you decided a little ago.
That was JJ Jupiter, and I think that was pretty.
That's
pretty
great
good,
stuff.
yeah.
Great stuff from the boys as
They
usual.
kind
Yeah.
of remind me of another band, or of another singer, even James Quinn there with the bass.
Yeah.
He's
It looks or in
no
sound?
in sound. He's a good voice on.
Yeah.
It reminds me of
You don't know who?
yeah.
Natalie and Brulia.
Yeah.
They do a version of
I
Tom.
was just thinking it.
Yeah, they do a version. Stop making so much noise, boys. Right.
I get a voice in my head.
boys are wrecking the place.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna have Riot Tapes up next. So hope you enjoy it.
Hey Joe, where did you go? I have it all ready, it's ready to snow. The candlestick's lit, my body's won't come home. And I'm just too hard to sleep, open our dreams. Star streams light shining, star streams light shining. Then it falls out and you slip away. Yeah. Then it falls out and you slip away. Hey Joe, it's all gone so wrong. Remember the good days, remember our song. It's all just a bit too heavy, I'm sick, come home. And I'm just too hard to sleep, open our dreams. Star streams light shining, star streams light shining. Then it falls out and you slip away. 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 Hey Joe, where did you go? I had it all ready.
Thanks so much, guys.
Thank you.
Dirty episode next. That was Riot Tapes. What did you think? I really liked her vibrato there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Lovely
great.
style. I like the waistcoat.
Yeah.
Really,
the
really
hair.
nice. Now we're going to go to Dirty Epics, if that's okay. Is that
Dave's
okay?
ready. Yeah, that's
Is Dave
cool.
ready?
Yeah. Dirty Epics live from It's Happening in Derry.
Huh? I don't know. It's this. Oh, okay.
Okay.
That was Dirty Epics, and I think they were pretty epic.
That was good, yeah.
Yeah, she kind of reminded me of what is it? No Doubt. To know.
Oh, No Doubt, yeah.
The way that she, yeah,
Yeah,
was really,
bit of
really
70s rock there. It's great.
Very punk influenced.
Good. Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
oh,
you,
it speaks! What? What happened there? Wait, there's another one here. I'm surrounded.
what did you think of her outfit? It was quite nice. A bit.
It was a bit body stockinish, wasn't it? Allegedly.
I liked the shoes. I did like the shoes.
Yeah, the shoes were
The
class.
shoes were nice.
I have to admit, the shoes were class.
Mm.
Couldn't take my eyes off the shoes.
Oh.
What do you think of them shoes?
I like them. Well, I caught only a glimpse, but
Yeah. What do you think of them shoes?
I didn't see them.
Well, they're booty shoes.
Booty shoes.
Yeah.
What are booty shoes?
Shoes that look like boots.
Oh, right. Well, to me, they look like big silver stilettos, like really high platformed stilettos.
Backbreakers.
Oh yeah, knee shakers,
Knee
whatever they're called, knee shatterers. The ones that are really, really bad for your knees.
Bad for your back
Talking.
and your knees.
All right, so there is a little workshop, well, little big, whatever, in Cavan for those little singer-songwriters out there. You can be... He's laughing at me. It's for bands, solo artists, whatever it may be. It's going on in the town hall in Cavan. You have to have one original song, and to apply you just have to contact the arts office. And
You know, what's going on?
that brings this lovely episode of Fireside Sounds to an end, and hopefully you'll see Paul anyway
Hello.
next week.
Marion,
With
Shannon West.
Marion.
Marion will be back next
Yeah.
week. With the tea. You'll probably have the tea in bed with you,
Oh
Marion.
gosh, yeah. Tea. All right, this is me, Izzy. Bye bye.